Welcome to this step-by-step guide where I will be showing you how to capture your self-employed income on TaxDash. From your dashboard, click on Tax Returns Assistance. To create a return for a previous year, select the correct year from this drop-down. For the current year, click on Create Tax Return. Before you are able to start capturing your income and expenses, you need to confirm your residency status. Complete the required fields and watch the linked video if you are unsure. Next, you will confirm if you are domiciled in the UK. Now you can select and add the modules applicable to you. To capture your self-employment details, add the self-employment module and select whether your turnover is less or more than £85,000. Add new self-employment and enter your self-employment details. Once completed, you can navigate back to the self-employment dashboard or go straight into adding transactions. A pop-up will ask if you want to claim a trading allowance for the tax year. Please watch the linked video if you are unsure whether this applies to you. Now you can start adding your transactions. You can manually add a transaction or import a spreadsheet. To import a spreadsheet containing your income and expenses, simply drag and drop or search for the file. Then ensure that each transaction is categorized correctly before finally importing. When viewing transactions, you'll see that they have now been added. To manually capture a single transaction or your totals for the year, click on Add Transaction. When adding your totals for the year, select the last date of the tax year. Select the correct transaction type and enter the amount. You can save and go back to view your transactions or save and add another. If you are unsure which costs you can claim, click here for our comprehensive guide. If half of a certain expense was for personal use, you can then change the allocated percentage to allocate 50% of that total as a business expense. You're able to filter your transactions per tax year if you have previous submissions. You can search by transaction type, export transactions, and individually edit, delete, or expand each transaction. When you navigate back to self-employment, you can view a detailed breakdown of your income statement. Here you will see your total income, expenses, and profit. Click here to edit your self-employment details. Click on View Category Summaries to view a summary of the categories that will be included on your tax return, and you can easily toggle back to the breakdown view. Click here to edit or add a transaction. Click here to view your tax return submission process. Here you will be able to navigate back to add another source of income. If you have more than one source of income for self-employment, you can add it here to separate your income and expenses per business. Here you can see your personalized quote to have an accountant review and submit your return to HMRC. Once you are happy with your return, mark that module as complete. You will then need to verify your personal information before proceeding to payment to have your return calculated and reviewed by an accountant. If you have any questions or require assistance, navigate back to the dashboard and reach out to us through the message board.